In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a T-shirt order form using Google Forms for free. Now, using Google Forms is a simple and accessible way to collect and organize information. And today we're going to harness its power to set up an efficient, professional-looking order form for your T-shirts. Whether you're running a small clothing business or organizing a custom shirt order for an event, this step-by-step guide will be invaluable. First things first, let's head over to Google. Open your web browser and type in how to create a T-shirt order form using Google Forms free and hit search. You'll be directed to a variety of results, but don't worry if that feels a little overwhelming. Just look for the link that directs you to Google Forms directly. Click on that link and it'll take you straight to where you want to be. Once you're on Google Forms, you'll see an option to start a new form. Click on the plus sign, typically labeled blank, to create a brand new form from scratch. This is your canvas where you can build the form to your specifications. Next up, it's time to title your form. Once your blank form is open, click on Untitled Form at the top left of the screen to rename it. You might want to name it something relevant like T-shirt order form. Also, add a brief description under the title to give your customers clear information about the purpose of the form, such as details regarding the T-shirt orders and any deadlines that they should be aware of. Let's move on to adding questions. This section is vital as it will ensure you gather all the necessary details from your customers. Click on Add Question on the right side panel. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a variety of options. Start with a straightforward, short answer option for personal information, like name and email address. Don't forget to include a section for size. You can make this a multiple choice question with options like small, medium, large, etc. Another important part is to ask them what design or color they prefer if applicable. This would typically be a drop-down menu that can include images if necessary, depending on how you set up your stock. Once you've got your questions laid out, adjust the form's settings. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Make sure Collect Email Addresses is checked so you can contact participants if needed and ensure the responses are recorded accurately. Lastly, we want to give the form a once-over to make sure everything looks perfect. Click on the eye icon to preview how the form will appear to customers. Test filling it out yourself to ensure everything functions correctly. Once you're satisfied, all that's left to do is click the Send button. You can email the form directly or get a shareable link to place on your website or social media platforms. And there you have it. Your comprehensive T-shirt order form is live and ready to collect responses.